Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to install a companion docking model on a foldable manual wheelchair. We have here an Easy Ride and a Motion Composite Helios. With your companion you receive the pre-assembled docking model, a set of clamps, rubber rings to accommodate different tube sizes, your set of bolts and screws, also a set of Allen keys, and for the installation you will also need two 9/16 socket wrenches. Let's start with the clamps installation. Depending on your chair type, you might need to install the clamps with the tip up or with the tip down. For this chair I will install it with the tip up, and for that chair I will install it with the tip down. For the purpose of this video, I will take the wheels off and I will flip the chair so you see what I'm doing. Pick the right rubber ring to accommodate the tube size and position the clamp on the frame tube looking inwards and up. In my case, I will install the clamps on both sides of the brakes. Fold the chair and position the docking model between the clamps so we have some space from the cross braces. Slide the clamps and align the holes. Insert all 4 bolts to verify alignment. Remove the bolts and install the bolts from the inside to the holes that you matched. Now unfold the chair. Insert the screws into the clamps and secure them with the lock nuts. Use the socket wrenches to tighten them. Now you can tighten up the clamps. Congratulations, now your chair is equipped with the companion docking model.